Intermittent fasting. You've probably heard about it by now. Some say it's a revolutionary way to manage weight, improve health, and even live longer. Others claim it's just another fad. So, what's the truth? Let's dive into the science behind intermittent fasting, explore its benefits, and debunk some common myths. Intermittent fasting is not a diet, but a pattern of eating. It cycles between periods of eating and fasting. While there are various methods, the most popular are the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. The 5-2 method, you eat normally for 5 days, and on 2 days, you restrict your calories to about 500 to 600. The 24-hour fast, once or twice a week, you fast for a full 24 hours. During the fasting period, you either consume nothing or only non-caloric beverages like water, tea, or black coffee. Simple enough, right? But what happens inside your body during these fasts? Fasting has deep evolutionary roots. Historically, humans didn't always have food available 24/7, so our bodies evolved to adapt to periods of scarcity. Today, intermittent fasting taps into those biological mechanisms to bring several health benefits. Let's break them down. Improved metabolism. Fasting changes how your body uses energy. It switches from burning glucose from food to burning stored fat for energy. This process, called metabolic switching, can help reduce body fat and improve overall metabolism. Enhanced brain function. Surprisingly, fasting can also be good for your brain. It boosts the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which supports brain health and cognitive function. Studies even suggest that it could protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Improved insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting can reduce insulin resistance, a key factor in type 2 diabetes. By lowering blood sugar and insulin levels, fasting may also reduce your risk of developing diabetes. Supports heart health. Regular fasting has been linked to lower levels of cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure, 3 critical factors in heart disease prevention. Cellular repair and longevity. During fasting, your body activates processes like autophagy, a natural process of cleaning out damaged cells and generating new ones. This is believed to play a role in slowing the aging process and enhancing longevity. With all these benefits, it's easy to see why intermittent fasting has gained popularity. But with it comes a lot of misinformation. Let's tackle some common myths. Myth 1: fasting will make you lose muscle. Many believe that fasting leads to muscle loss, but that's not entirely true. Short-term fasting actually increases levels of human growth hormone, which helps preserve muscle mass. As long as you're eating enough protein during your eating windows and doing regular strength training, you should maintain muscle. Myth 2: fasting will slow down your metabolism. Contrary to what you might think, fasting doesn't slow your metabolism. In fact, short periods of fasting may increase metabolic rate by up to 14% as your body becomes more efficient at burning fat for fuel. Long-term calorie restriction, however, can slow metabolism, so fasting should be done in a balanced way. Myth 3: you can eat whatever you want during the eating window. Intermittent fasting doesn't give you a free pass to binge on unhealthy food. To see the full benefits, you need to eat a balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. Fasting is just a tool to help control when you eat, but what you eat still matters. Myth 4: fasting isn't safe for everyone. This one's not a myth, it's a fact. While intermittent fasting can be beneficial, it's not for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, people with certain medical conditions like diabetes, or those with a history of eating disorders should consult a doctor before trying any form of fasting. Myth 5: fasting equals starvation. Fasting and starvation are not the same. Starvation is involuntary and deprives your body of essential nutrients for extended periods. Intermittent fasting is a controlled practice that allows your body to rest and reset before consuming nutritious meals again. Interested in giving intermittent fasting a try? Here are a few tips to get started safely and effectively. Start slowly. Don't jump into long fasting windows right away. Begin with a 12-12 method, 12 hours of fasting and 12 hours of eating, and gradually extend the fasting period as you get more comfortable. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water during fasting periods to stay hydrated and help control hunger. Focus on balanced meals. During your eating windows, focus on nutrient-dense meals to ensure your body gets the vitamins and minerals it needs. Listen to your body. If fasting makes you feel weak, overly hungry, or fatigued, it might not be the right approach for you. It's important to listen to your body's signals. Intermittent fasting can be an effective tool for weight management, improved health, and longevity, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. If you're thinking of trying it, be sure to do it in a way that works for your lifestyle, and always prioritize a healthy, balanced diet. Is intermittent fasting right for you? Do your research and always prioritize health and balance. Thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel to get more health-related updates.